Now let's move towards the second step. We have saved the image from Google Earth. So now what we are going to do, we will open ArcMap from system search menu. We will open ArcMap. I have already opened it. So this is the interface of the software in front of you. I will explain the things one by one, so don't get panic. First, I'm just explaining the georeferencing procedure. So for your assignment, you will save the image of your area. Maybe it's better if you work on the area where you live, because you know that area. So save the image of your area, and we are going to work within 500-meter radius. So make sure that you save the image that covers enough area so that you can map that. So the first step here will be to add the image in GIS. So there is a plus sign. So you click here on this plus sign in GIS. And with the help of this connect folder, you can go to desktop. So here this is desktop. I will go to ArcGIS assignment, this folder, and here is the image. So add. As we have saved this image in very high resolution, so it will take some time. So if this window appears, just click yes. So just click OK, and the image will be added here. So the image is there. But you know, whenever I am moving the cursor on the image, on right side here it is written unknown units, and it does not give us any locational information because the units are unknown and the location is also unknown. Sorry. So in order to georefer the image or to assign coordinates to this image, we have just pasted this information on the image intentionally so that we can assign this information in GIS. So here is a window of georeferencing appearing in my software interface. But if it is not appearing, just click on the blank space, right click, and here you will find georeferencing. So if it is not checked, just check it, then this window will appear here. So you see the image that we have uploaded here is showing here in this tab, and it is georeferencing. So before starting the georeferencing, you will uncheck this option of auto adjust. So now you see it, I have unchecked this option. So what I am going to do is I am zooming in to a certain point. So then this is the first thing, add control points. As I have already explained that we need to add 4 control points to assign coordinates to each and every location on the image. So I will click here, add control points, and then I will go right at the center and I will click. When I will click, a point will appear. You may see that it's number 1 point. When this point is appeared, then you will right click. So now it is asking us to input X and Y information. So in X I will input the first value, and in Y I will input the second value. So 74.405862, 74.405862. Please make sure that this image is correctly entered. So on Y, 31.540896. So I have added the first control point. Basically I have told the software that this point's location information is this. So similarly, I will add information in the other point, and it's better if you add the information diagonally. Diagonally means that if you added first point, then please add second point on this corner, then the third point on this corner, and fourth point on this corner. So right in the center of this point, I click and then right click, input x and y, so 74.423940 and then 31.530882. So the second point is added. Now we'll move towards third point. Right in the center, I click, then right click, input x and y, so 74.424005 and y 31.540018. So I'm clicking on OK. So the third point is added. Now we are going to add our last point. So in order to achieve more accuracy, you can add more points as well. So so the fourth point, right click, input x and y data, 74.406360 and 31.530898. So now I have added all 4 points. When you have added all 4 points, so then the next task is to click here, view link table. You will go to view link table. You see these residual values are 0, so you need to update this table. You will again click, you will click here, and you will again click on first order polynomial. When you click here, you see the information is filled up now. So you close this table. So the information is filled up. Now what you will do, you will click here and you will click here on update georeferencing. So when you click here, so the image will disappear. So how you will find this image now? You will click here on the image in the table of contents. You will right click, and there is an option of zoom to layer. So the image is in front of you now. So now the coordinate information is assigned. You see now 74.424, 31.529. Now the coordinates are assigned, but still the units are unknown. Now the next step, you will go to this window, catalog window, and then you will go to desktop. You will find your ArcGIS assignment folder, and here is the image. Now you click on the image, then this is the Arc catalog button. It is very important to know while using GIS, we make shapefiles in Arc catalog. It's a very important quiz question. So you will go to the properties, and then you will scroll it down and you see spatial reference undefined. So you click on the edit, you will go to geographical coordinate system, you will go to world, then you will go to WGS 1984. This is the coordinate system that is mostly used in GIS. So you click here, you click apply, and you click OK.